Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find your highlights on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC. Instagram recently rolled out a new update that makes things a little different, so if you've opened the app on your computer and felt a bit lost, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile photo there. It's the small circular image that represents your account. Give that a click, and it will take you straight to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, let's talk about where to find your highlights. Right under your bio section, that's the space where you've written a few words about yourself. You'll see a row of rectangular icons. Each one of these represents a highlight. Highlights are Instagram stories that you've saved permanently to your profile so they don't disappear after 24 hours. From here, it's really simple. Just click on any of the highlights you want to view. They'll open up just like regular stories, and you can click through them one by one. You can also check out all the highlight covers you've created, which stay neatly organized beneath your bio. What's great about this update is that it keeps everything easy to find in one place. Before, some users found it confusing to navigate highlights on the desktop version, but now the layout feels very similar to the mobile app. If you've created multiple highlight collections, like vacations, events, or favorite moments, you'll be able to access all of them right here on your PC without any hassle. And that's it. To summarize, open your Instagram app on PC, click your profile photo at the bottom left corner, and then check right underneath your bio to see your highlights. From there, you can enjoy browsing through all your saved memories whenever you want, even on a computer screen. If you found this guide helpful, you're now ready to revisit your favorite stories on Instagram with ease.